Hello, this is John Larson, Sales Director of American Real Estate Investments, and I'm going to walk you through the closing process to purchase one of our investment properties. Step 1. You're going to want to execute the purchase agreement. Once you have found the ideal property for sale, you'll want to place a purchase contract on the home. Several of your main will fall under one of the following 5 categories. A. Purchase price. Most often this price will be set by the seller. This price is commonly non-negotiable unless you can find specific reasons to purchase the investment for less. B. Cash or finance. In real estate, cash is king. However, a key principle is capital preservation. Carefully weigh your options and decide which avenue best suits your investment needs. C. Inspection period. I recommend that all my clients conduct a third-party property inspection on any home they are interested in purchasing. A little money spent on an initial inspection can save you thousands when purchasing a property. Always know what you are investing in by using an unbiased inspector. There is a reason contracts specifically include inspection periods. E. Earnest money deposit. In any contract, there will most likely be some type of consideration for the product being sold. If for lack of performance on behalf of the buyer, the seller can be awarded this deposit for the time that the property has been taken off the market. To list, insure, and manage a property, many expenses arise. This is a fail-safe to ensure the seller is not being taken advantage of. The next step is lender involvement. In many instances, a lender will be involved to take advantage of cash leveraging. This is commonly a wise decision, and here is what will be needed to obtain such financing. 1. 2 forms of government-issued identification. 2. Last 2 months' most recent bank statements. 3. Last 2 years' income tax returns. And finally, 4, the LLC operating agreement and articles of organization. Step 3 is insurance. The first type of insurance you're going to want to purchase is title insurance. A title policy should always be purchased. Title insurance is a very simple product. It ensures legal ownership of a property. Without title insurance, you could pay for your home, and after taking possession, someone else could come back claiming, for any number of reasons, that the property is theirs and was sold to you erroneously. If proven true, you just lost your money, paid at closing, and the property itself. In order to fight the claim, you would have to invest your time towards hiring and working with an attorney. Not only do you have to pay for the services of the attorney, but also any fees or court costs. To avoid all the headache and heartache, simply pay a one-time fee upon closing to ensure your ownership of title. If any claims against your rightful ownership of the property arise, then the title company is responsible for fighting that said claim and all costs associated with clearing the issue. The worst case scenario, the title company missed something in their title search, and the property was errantly deeded to you. The insurance allows you to collect all the money paid at closing. Very rarely does this worst case scenario happen, but every day claims are made that a property was incorrectly deeded, and for this reason, a title policy should always be purchased. Another type of insurance is hazard insurance. With a lender, this is required. Without a lender, this is strongly advised. For most reasons beyond simple tenant negligence, a hazard policy protects against fire, windstorm, hail, and most other acts of nature that can damage your investment. Now we're on to the closing documents. Once the time comes to sign the final closing documents on your investment property, you will want to double check the following items. A. The settlement HUD. This document will have all costs from the agreed upon purchase price to the related closing expenses that it takes to make the property yours. B. Warranty deed, or the deed of trust. The warranty deed is the most important of all closing documents. This document relinquishes the rights of the previous owner to the new vested interest. If there is a lender involved, there will also be a deed of trust recorded that reflects ownership by the lender until any loan is paid off. C. Once all documents and funds are received by the closing company, the appropriate documents will be recorded with the county of record and the funds will be dispersed to the appropriate parties. Finally, the property is now yours. Here are some items you're going to want to double check after close. First is property management. Make sure all ownership has been transferred and rental payments will be directly deposited to your bank account or an appropriate trust fund. Also check with your lender. Make sure the appropriate funds will be deposited to the lender, including monthly mortgage payment with principal and interest, taxes, insurance, and any other miscellaneous expenses, such as a homeowners association fee. I hope you learned some valuable information on how to purchase an investment home and the steps needed to close on that property. For more information on our investment properties, you can contact me directly at my email address, jlarson@areiusa.com. Thank you for your time.